Okay, let's try this time. We're talking about I, you, he, she, it, we, you, they in English and translate to Khmer language and how to use it, and I give you the example one by one, step by step, easily. That's just a 6 or 7 word and you can easily remember. You take a few minutes to finish this video. I, you can translate in Khmer 2-3 meaning. Khnyom 1 meaning. When you like someone and you want to say I like you. Khnyom châu chặt nè. Like I like you. Khnyom châu chặt nè. Some kind like that. And second meaning anh. When you use I, sometimes we can translate that I translate to anh. Anh that means for the close friend or someone that younger than you and you don't want to speak officially. You just say unpolitely. You just say Bộ mà anhសប្បាយចិត្តណាស់បានដើរលេងជាមួយឯង Hey dude, I'm happy to going out with you. Some kind like that. And when you want to say that, when dude, that mean in English that we translate to close friend, right? So when you say that, hey dude, I'm happy to go out with you, that mean សម្លាញ់ខ្ញុំសប្បាយចិត្តដែរសម្លាញ់អញសប្បាយចិត្តណាស់ដែលបានដើរលេងជាមួយឯង You can translate whatever. You can put khnyom or anh and depend on situation. And I just want to have you know, understand. You have communicate. Say anh, that mean is equal I, equal khnyom. Yeah, that mean that. And come to I, third meaning, that mean atma. And you are Mang, he use I, we translate atma. I'm not sure like you become a monk, but you when you heard the monk said so, you know that equal I, the same thing, equal khnyom or anh, that means so. I give you an example. I can't eat dinner because they are the monk. They have no rule to have dinner. Or we translate in Cambodia, Atma menchan aha pelengite. And now come to you. You translate in Khmer nè. I give you example. Nè cô ơiស្រឡាញ់ណាស់ Again, អ្នកគួរឲ្យស្រឡាញ់ណាស់ អ្នកគួរឲ្យស្រឡាញ់ណាស់ That means you are so lovely. When you see someone interesting and you want to say អ្នកគួរឲ្យស្រឡាញ់ណាស់ You are so lovely. Okay. You អ្នក come to he គាត់ again គាត់ or we. Sometimes we say God, sometimes we use we as well because they are younger than us and we can say we when someone younger than us, right? And we can use we but not officially. But you can use because everyone use that, even including me. I asking for my nephew. I never say Quatana how doesn't ask some kind of that. Vedana that's so. Where he going and Vedana, yeah. I say that. I give you example. He love play football. Quat châu chất lên ba toạt. Again. Quat châu chất lên ba toạt. Quat châu chất lên ba toạt. He love play football. Okay. see see we translate នាង or គាត់ the same thing but គាត់ this time for girl គាត់ last time is for man. I don't know what is different but you need to understand yourself when the sentence look up the sentence or behind the sentence the way someone talk is girl or guy you know yourself, right? And we can translate the we the same thing and some kind of I give you example. She love reading book. She love reading book. That means នាង ចូលចិត្ត អានសៀវភៅ នាង ចូលចិត្ត អានសៀវភៅ or you can say គាត់ ចូលចិត្ត អានសៀវភៅ or you can say វា ចូលចិត្ត អានសៀវភៅ but វា this time or គាត់ this time we use for girl. And it is only wear. You just use only wear but we use for animal, right? And in the Cambodia in the same for something or for animal looking for animal we use wear, right? Yeah. I give you an example. ឆ្កែរបស់ខ្ញុំឈ្មោះ Lulu វាឆ្លាតណាស់ My dog is named Lulu and it so smart. Yeah. When again translate again ឆ្កែរបស់ខ្ញុំឈ្មោះ Lulu វាឆ្លាតណាស់ Okay. Now we come to we យើង again យើង ពួកយើង យើង ពួកយើង យើង Okay. យើង ពួកយើង ទៅដើរលំហែកាយ ពួកយើង ទៅដើរលំហែកាយ We are go for walk. We are go for walk. That mean in Khmer ពួកយើង ដើរលំហែកាយ Go for walk ដើរលំហែកាយ or ដើរហាត់ប្រាណ mean some kind like that ពួកយើង ដើរលំហាត់ប្រាណ ពួកយើង ដើរលំហែកាយ It mean the same thing. Now they គេ ពួកគេ they គេ ពួកគេ They are very kind. When you say so you want to say someone like ពួកគេ ចិត្តល្អណាស់ ពួកគេ ចិត្តល្អណាស់ When you want to say to someone ពួកគេ ចិត្តល្អណាស់ That mean they are very kind. They are very kind. ពួកគេ ចិត្តល្អណាស់ You want to say that. And yeah, that's all. And just recap. I translate ខ្ញុំ អញ ខ្ញុំ ឬក៏ អញ or អាត្មា for ម៉ាំង You translate to Khmer អ្នក He គាត់ វា for man សម្រាប់បុរស She នាង គាត់ វា សម្រាប់ ស្ត្រី for woman. Okay. And it វា for animal សម្រាប់សត្វ And we យើង ពួកយើង We យើង ពួកយើង យើង ពួកយើង I hope you can understand my pronunciation. They គេ ពួកគេ គេ ពួកគេ គេ ពួកគេ Okay, that's all and have a nice day.